ESG investing is getting bigger by the day. If you see the large institutional investors, most of them have signed up for ESG. They have been following this ESG practice and saying that more and more of their investments will be ESG. So how big is that? If you see, more than 1,900 institutional investors have already signed up for ESG principles. It's more than $22 trillion are now branded as ESG. So this is getting bigger by the day. So why is that trend that we are seeing, that ESG investing is getting bigger? Academic studies have already proved that good ESG companies have lower cost of capital, high operational performance, and therefore high share price impact. If you see, most of these companies are quality companies, credible companies. They take every risk, not only their business risk, but also the risk on the planet and the people into consideration before they make their investments. So therefore, you avoid large downside risk and at least avoid the tail risk when it comes to your investments. So ESG is a theme that ensures there is sustainable profits made over the long term, and that is why these large investors are getting into ESG in a big way. So this ESG investing is growing and is only going to get bigger by the day. More and more investors will join other investors who are already into ESG, and you will see a large share of their investments coming from ESG. So going forward, maybe half or at least 1/3 of their investments will be ESG in next few years. So ESG is getting bigger because it's more sustainable, much better way of growing your wealth, and that is why these big investors are already getting into it. So it's high time you join these big hands and make this planet and the society a sustainable one.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.